Yeah, I put that down. That's how you know that's a dead giveaway that I'm the sheriff.
I fired 3 shots when this guy started shooting at me.
Nice. I fired a buttload. You were a terrorist, right?
I was just letting you come to me, yeah.
Nice.
That's the best thing I've heard. Yeah, that's how I do.
What?
No, you guys put your guns down.
I was like, no, we're not gonna play this game, Josh. No, no, no. Nope. Round 4 of TTT, that is my card. Aww, look at you terrorists sharing ammo.
Alrighty, heads down, eyes closed. Right arm up to the fist. You have a red card. Thumbs up. Thumbs up, only look up. Hands down, heads up. Let's go.
Cuz.
3, 2.
Show me your card. Come here, show me your card. Oh! Ugh. Hashtag worst sheriff ever. That went downhill so fucking fast.
I saw that card and I was like...
Yeah, I know, and I was gonna try to deputize you first too. I'm glad that didn't happen. I betted wrong on you.
Okay.
You bastard, shot me like right here too. Ow.
Oh, that was good. Well, no one's deputized anymore.
No one's deputized is right. Fuck, man.
I saw you pull out your gun. I was like, who's gonna die first?
You're acting all shady.
Were you a terrorist?
No.
Then why were you pulling out your gun?
Because you're...
Yeah, I know he is.
No, they're like, are you the sheriff? Are you
Wait,
the
you're
sheriff?
dead?
Sheriff's in here.
Yep. That's why I love this game. It gets very confusing very quick without that person. What are the odds?
Guess what, bitches? The sheriff's dead.
Whoa!
Spoiler.
Spoiler alert, you're all fucked.
Drama alert.
Russian roulette.
Do it with the semi-auto pistol.
Yeah.
There's 8.
Do you know which one's the other one? Mateus, who's the other one?
No, I'm not telling.
No, I want to know. Right? Who?
Tim.
Oh, okay. Oh, that's gonna be interesting.
One of us should just fire rounds. Just like
The one that's got his hand on his gun right now? Aw, snap.
damn it, why? Yes! Well, that's just fucked up.
Big on for that.
Well, that fucked up. That was awesome.